Welcome students, myself Dikshita Faldesai, Assistant Professor from Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, KPM, Goa. So the title of the unit is Unit 2, Study of Commercial Plants. Under this we are going to study about cacti. In this module we are going to learn about the characteristics of cacti, propagation of cacti as well as the uses of cacti. Learning outcomes. At the end of this module, learner will be in a position to explain the characteristics of cactus as well as he will be able to describe the propagation methods of cactus and also list out the uses of cactus. Now this cactus is a plant belonging to plant family Cactaceae, a family which comprises of about 127 genera with some more than 1750 known species. Now the habitat of cactus. Cacti survive in extremely hot and dry habitat. That is the reason they are always found in dry environment like in desert or arid regions. Shape and size. Now the size of the cactus depends or it varies from species to species. Largest species of cactus can reach up to 66 feet in height and the smallest species of cactus can reach to usually few inches in height. It can have different shapes like arborescent meaning tree-like, cylindrical, starfish shape, rounded, irregular, etc. Spines. Now in most of the plant, as you have seen, it has leaves, but if you go to see cactus, it does not have true leaves. Instead, it has spines. Now these spines can be soft or rigid, they can be straight or curved, or they can be arranged in rows or randomly scattered. Now again, these spines vary considerably within species to species based upon their number, hardness, structure, color, etc. Now in case of cactus, spine has two major roles to perform. First one is they prevent the loss of water via transpiration, and the second function is to protect the cactus plant from animals. Since you all know that the spines of the cactus has a pointed or a very sharp end, so they has the ability to grab on to the fur, clothing or skin of passing by animals or human being, thereby protecting the cactus plant. Areoles. Now these areoles are unique to the cactus plant family. They look like bump or slightly raised cushiony woolen or woolly or hairy like structure, and it will have spines and flowers protruding out from it. Now the shape of this areole can be, in some species it can be oval in shape, whereas in other you will find them in a circular shape. Stem. Now if you have ever touched the stem of the cactus, you could make out that the outer surface of the stem has a waxy layer. Now the outer surface has a waxy layer to protect or to reduce the water loss. Now since these stems are found in arid region, they need to absorb large amount of water. Besides absorbing large amount of water, they need it to store it somewhere, right? So in stem or in cactus, it is the stem where the water is being stored. Now besides storing water, the stem of the cactus has one more important role to play, that is it takes part in the process of photosynthesis. Now you all must be aware that in most of the plants, leaves take part in the process of photosynthesis, but in case of cactus, since it does not have true leaves, instead it has spine, so that process or that function is being performed by stem. So this is also an unusual characteristics of cactus, that is its ability to photosynthesize by using stem. Next is flower. Most of the cacti produces flower. Again, the size and the shape of the flower depends on the species of cacti as well as the type of pollination they are undergoing through. Now most of the cactus flowers are nocturnal, that is they bloom during night time. Roots. Cacti root morphology varies from deep taproot to network of finer roots that are near to the soil and that can extend to quite a distance. Propagation methods. There are usually 3 ways to propagate cactus plant. You can propagate it using seeds or via cuttings, or cactus can be also propagated by grafting methods. Now we are going to see each of this method in detail. Propagation of cactus using seeds. So in this you have to first collect the fresh seeds of cactus, fill the planting tray with equal amount of fertile and peat moss, spread the seeds evenly on the surface of the planting tray and cover them with the sand. Now it is necessary to maintain humid atmosphere for the seed to germinate. So the best way to maintain humidity is by covering the planting tray with plastic wrap or glass sheet. Remove the plastic wrap when you see the seedling. Once germinated, the seedling can be exposed to more light or air. Cuttings. Now for cutting you have to use a sharp knife. You can use a new knife, or if you are using old knife, make sure that you sterilize that knife to avoid any kind of contamination. So by using a sharp knife you have to cut piece of a cactus for propagation. Keep the cut surface of the cutting clean. Then after this leave it in shade for 3 to 4 days to allow a dry callus to form over the cut area. Once the callus has formed, you can plant the cactus, or you can plant the cutting of the cactus into moist, well drained soil. It may take several weeks or months before the roots appear. Cactus can also be propagated by using grafting method. In this you have to remove the top portion of a potted cactus so that the root stock is 2 to 3 inches tall. Cut 1 to 2 inches off the top of a different cactus to use as a scion. Now set the scion on the top of the root stock. Secure the scion to the root stock and the pot with the piece of twine. Water the cactus if you feel the soil is dry. Remove the twine after 1 month. Uses. Now cactus is in high demand from the floriculturalists because in many places it is being used as an ornamental plant. Besides using as an ornamental plant, since you know that spines of cactus has very sharp pointed end, they can be used in the production of hooks, combs, needles, etc. In many places different species of cactus are being used in a local traditional medicines. Besides this, living cactus fences are employed as a barricades around the buildings to prevent people from breaking in. So these are some of the references for this topic. For more information you can go through these references. Thank you.